Got our first escape artist, the first one to crawl over the fence. And his sister's like, if he can do it, I can do it. Because she's right behind him. They're like bosom buddies. The two white ones are always cuddling, and the black one is like always on the outs. This is Oliver. Oliver's the biggest. But Oliver doesn't follow his mommy around. Outside, the black one does. He follows his mommy around. He's all super spunky. But Oliver decided he wanted out. And Oliver climbed over the fence first. He's definitely the biggest. He's so cute, Oliver. He's so cute. He's the first one to go potty in the kitty litter. Which I need to swap that out. You do not do that, cat. You stay out of my meat. She's a straight up hunter, carnivore, scavenger. She'll just break into my shit and take it. She's a thug like that. She will. Poopy ass kitty, always having stuff coming out of her butt. As a matter of fact, just stay off of my countertops, okay, little one? They're so cute. He's all hissing. See, now they're all climbing out. Alright, back up kitty litter for the babies. Shit! Ouch! God damn it. More scrapes on my leg. I gotta get levelers on this thing. Damn it. It smells like baby cat poop is what it smells like. Could be mommy. Could be them. Could just be a fart. None of the babies look like cat poop. She's so playful, Laura. Laura's all playful. Boy, they stink, though. That's so funny, Oliver. Maybe it's the mommy farting around me. Maybe the mommy's taking a poop down below. Ah, that's why. Stinks like her. But the kittens are so cute. Look, Oliver's gonna go potty again. Alone. She doesn't know he's trying to focus. Show him how to use a toilet like a big boy, Oliver. I'm literally holding the brother and sister back from messing with him while he squats and goes potty. Now he's cleaning himself. I'm not even sure if he went. Now I just want to see if he already went. That's a no. Did not go yet. She's gonna need her butt cleaned, watch. Yeah. There's something wrong with her for sure. There's something wrong with the mommy. She needs a vet I can't afford. Like, how do you end up with cat shit on your head? Like, how do you even do that? I saw where she was pooping, where she's going back in it right now so she can play in it, because she's dumb too. Let's just play in the cat shit. Little bastard ass cats. Ruining my life. Ruining my life. Keep your little cat shit ass back in there, climbing boy. Maybe I hate cats now. That's it. I don't like cats anymore. The internet says you guys are supposed to start eating some wet cat food. But keeping your mom from eating it before you is insanely impossible. Your mom's licking poop out her butt all the time. You guys can't stop shitting on each other. Nobody likes to get baths, but what am I supposed to do in this situation? I gotta go back to work for another 4 hours. Get back in there. Nobody wants you out. This is how fearless this cat is. You can't get under the driver's seat like that. I'm pulling out right now of Fred Meyer's. Had to get fresh kitty litter and stuff. This is this cat. I'm driving down the road and she's on the back of this fucking seat. This is how brave this cat is. It's been a week and a half in the bus with us. That brave ass cat, man. She's a gangster. Straight up gangster kitty. Look at that kitty. Stray cat. Fearless. Fucking fearless. I decided this has to be less traumatic than how I washed them before, one at a time. The water's warm. It's nice, warm water. But they have shit all over them. I just put them in there. They're struggling to get out. They're getting wet. But they're learning about the water. The water's not traumatizing them. It's just a warm substance they're in, and it's rinsing them off. So I can dump this, put them in a new bucket, put some new water in this, and then, you know, rinse and repeat for a minute and not use soap, and they'll generally be clean, except for him because she shit right on top of his head somehow she did. Now they're all hungry, and I made all of them wait to get at their mom, and I just washed their mom off a little bit. So everybody's going to get warm together and feed and suckle on mommy together. And so everybody should go to sleep right afterwards and get drier. So I'm going to get onto that process. Hush, mama. I'll put you in here too. Because honestly, I should. There's no way you're clean enough, mommy. I need my I need my thing to help rinse them. Yeah, you guys like the warm water though, huh? Nice warm water is good, isn't it? This is the one. He needs his head super cleaned good. Look at that shit on her forehead. You see that? Alright. Seeing her steaming, I'm scared it's too warm. He's the one that looks like he's the most clean. Come here, mommy. They're upsetting her so bad. He's not near as upset because he's not as cold as before. No, mommy, stop. Let go of me. I'm trying to help you out, cat. You're messing it all up. Ah! You're messing it all up. You almost got your baby hurt. You fish hooked me. You're making it all bad. God, my arm hurts so bad. She shit and pissed all over my fucking bed. She pissed and shit all over it. Well, get off of work. I get off of work. I go to a fucking truck stop. I fucking do a minimum fucking amount of laundry because their fucking laundromat will fuck my shit up just enough to wash these fucking kittens. I keep her and them separated so they don't track more shit all over my fucking house while I'm at work. While I'm traveling, she pisses and shits all over my fucking bed. I don't even know. I throw the clean fucking clothes directly on top of the fucking piss. Right in the middle of the fucking bed. I have nothing to sleep on. My fucking bed smells like cat piss. My whole house smells like cat shit and cat piss all the time. I'm not keeping her. Even if I keep one of them, I'm not keeping her. I can't even believe I have to go get a shop vac up and break out a fucking generator and fucking do all of that instead of get some fucking sleep. I hate this fucking cat now. So Oliver is underneath Laura. Laura's laying on top of Oliver. These two are bosom buddies. I think they might be twins because they are extremely connected. He went to sleep first on my shirt right next to this propane tank. And then she saw him and she came and walked up and curled up against him and went to sleep with him. Now, while that went on, he found my pants over here and he curled up on those and went to sleep all by himself. Phoenix is like the opposite colorings of Oliver. Like he's got white underneath, black on top almost. And Oliver's got some black underneath white that makes it gray. They both have that long hair. But this is part of the reason I think I want him to go with the mom, or he can be by himself. And I want those to go together. I want those brothers and sisters to be together. that's what I'm thinking when it comes to the cats. I'm thinking that he can be alone or with somebody that has another cat. He can stay possibly with me. His mother can possibly stay with me, although the shit and pissing on my bed yesterday, I'm still really upset about that. But I feel like these two are so connected. They've just always been like that. He's always been odd man out. It's a weird thing that these two are super always on each other, and he's totally content just doing his own thing. It really makes me think that they might be like the same embryo and such. The coloring and opposites of them and similarities of them makes me think they might actually be twins.